Looking to add a touch of creativity and humor to your home decor? Why not try some funny and creative wooden art pieces? From whimsical animal sculptures to clever wordplay signs, the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating wooden art into your home. And the best part is, you can easily create your own wooden art pieces with just a few supplies and a little bit of creativity. Let's get started. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color, a touch of humor, or a unique conversation starter, wooden art is the perfect way to showcase your personality and style in your home. So why wait? Get creative and start decorating with funny and creative wooden art pieces today. Imagine the joy and laughter that funny and creative wooden art pieces can bring to your gatherings with friends and family. It's a surefire way to spark conversations and create memorable moments. Don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild and experiment with different shapes, colors, and textures when creating your own wooden art. The possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a newbie looking to try something new, wooden art is a fun and rewarding way to express your creativity and add a personal touch to your living space. So gather your friends, unleash your creativity, and let the laughter and good times flow with funny and creative wooden art pieces in your home. It's time to make your space truly one of a kind. Looking to add a touch of humor and creativity to your home decor? Look no further than funny and creative wooden art pieces. In this video, we explore a variety of DIY ideas and inspiration for incorporating wooden art into your living space. From quirky sculptures to whimsical wall hangings, there's something for everyone in this fun and light-hearted exploration of wooden art. Welcome to our YouTube video on creative woodcrafts art ideas. In this video, we will explore the fascinating technique of desorption. variety of DIY ideas and inspiration for incorporating wooden art into your living space. From quirky sculptures to whimsical wall hangings, there's something for everyone in this fun and light-hearted exploration of wooden art. Welcome to our YouTube video on creative woodcrafts art ideas. In this video, we will explore the fascinating technique of desorption in wood crafts. Desorption involves removing moisture or other substances from wood to create unique and stunning artistic effects. Get ready to be inspired as we take you through some amazing desorption techniques and show you how to create beautiful art pieces using wood. Join us as we showcase the joy and laughter that funny and creative wooden art pieces can bring to your home. Discover how to unleash your creativity, experiment with different shapes and colors, and create personalized wooden art pieces that will leave your guests in awe. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to try something new, this video is sure to spark your imagination and inspire you to transform your living space with funny and creative wooden art. Get ready to laugh, create, and make your home truly one of a kind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration and home decor ideas. Let's get crafty and bring some laughter into your home with funny and creative wooden art.